I probably shouldn't have stopped here. I'm still trying to stay ahead of it, but it was on the way, so I figured I'd make a quick stop. I'm van lifing across Japan. Last time, I ended up at a random zoo in Izu, and today, I woke up to a typhoon warning. Found some free parking right at the bottom, so I just started from here.
Some light rain today, so want to get a bit of nature before before the typhoon hits. Hope I'm going the right way.
I just wanted to make it a quick hike, follow the stream, see a couple waterfalls. Didn't really want to do the whole thing. I think this is the first one, or maybe the second. Yeah, I'm not really sure.
Go down there. I don't know how to get there. This is the second waterfall, not the first one, but that's okay. All right, let's walk up the stream.
I stopped here for a bit, just sat down, took it in. Last couple days were pretty busy, so this was nice.
Light rain, early signs of the typhoon coming. Yeah.
I wasn't really thinking about anything, just walking. Water running next to me the whole time.
That's some glamping right there. It's a nice little spot.
I came across this rock toss game. Apparently it's for luck or something. Costs 100 yen, so I gave it a go. I thought it'd be easy. Yeah, but it wasn't.
Actually hit the pile of rocks, but it didn't stay there. I don't know if that counts. If one of those rocks that actually remains, oh well.
Then I came across these two statues. Apparently it's based on a story about two people who meet while traveling, then they go their separate ways. They never really end up together. There were coins placed around them, not really sure why, but I left one there too. The light rain kept coming, but I just kept going. The further up I went, the more stairs there were. I was already pretty far in at this point, so I just kept climbing. Everything started to feel a bit different, darker, quieter, and just the sound of the stream.
Nice. Look how green that water is. Like emerald green. Huh. Wow. I love the shape of these rocks as well. Okay. Here's the view spot for Ebidaru. Hey. A few stairs, but I think we can do it. Alright, just gotta tackle these. How bad could it be? Oh. That's it. Let's put it all up here. It's really nice. Yeah. think I'm gonna turn around. It would have been nice to spend the whole day here, but I really want to beat that Typhoon. I want to get to Shuzenji by 10-ish. Yeah. At least that way most of the shops are open. Only reason I stopped is because I would have gotten there too early and everything would have been closed. I really want to stay. But, you know, I still haven't done all of Egypt Peninsula. So I'll be back. And I'll be back in this area to do the whole trail. But oh well, there's still plenty to do in my 7-week trip. Can't believe it's only day 3. So I have a lot more to look forward to. Let's head back. So apparently they got really good wasabi here. But the shops are closed. Bit of a shame, I would have bought one. Yeah, so if you're in Izu, make sure you buy some wasabi. Apparently it's one for the road. Oh god, it's so hot. Alright. Let's go.
I finally made it to Shuzenji, but I didn't quite outrun the storm.